Biondo Cement has been hard at work to provide the industry's most unique techniques when it comes to exposed aggregate patios, driveways, and walkways. Due to the recent rise in popularity of exposed aggregate, we are now providing homeowners with industry-leading designs and outstanding quality finishes. Our most sought-after patio design incorporates both stamped concrete and exposed aggregate. The look is achieved by exposing the pea stone aggregate on the inside of the patio, leaving the border and facing with a natural stone and stone texture finish. It is a simple yet stunning look, giving homeowners the best of both worlds when it comes to decorative concrete designs. First, our sales representative will meet with you to design a custom concrete project that suits your home and individual style. Then, come visit our design gallery and be inspired by our many custom colors, patterns, and decorative accents. Once your custom design is finalized, we will then begin your concrete project. We begin by removing all dirt and concrete where necessary within the specified construction area. Then, we build the framework that will house your concrete creation. Next, we install crushed concrete as a solid base and compact it to ensure a solid footing. Steel rod reinforcements are then added throughout your entire project. Once the framed construction is built and approved, the cement truck arrives. A powdered pigment is then added into the cement truck to be mixed thoroughly as a base color. The cement used in this project will contain a pea stone aggregate mix rather than the typical limestone mixture. This will be the foundation for the exposed aggregate finish. The cement is now ready to be poured and finished. After allowing the necessary drying time, a concrete retarder agent is evenly applied to the surface of the project being exposed. Concrete retarder prevents the topmost layer of the concrete from drying, allowing us to expose the underlying beauty later. Then, we strategically saw-cut the entire project. After allowing the cement to properly cure, our finishing crew will power wash the layer of uncured concrete away, exposing the beautiful pea stone underneath. The final step in the process is to stain and seal the project, revealing the brilliance of your exposed aggregate. Your concrete is now yours to enjoy. Now, there are many benefits to choosing exposed aggregate for your home, such as being highly durable, visually appealing, cost-effective, and requiring low maintenance. When choosing Biondo Cement for your next concrete project, you are backed with over 25 years in the concrete industry, so you can rest assured that we have the experience, knowledge, and professional staff to design and build the perfect concrete project that will bring your visions to life.